Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. I'm here today with Shen.
Everybody.
And of course the Accord. So today what we're going to be doing is putting the wheels on. These are the ones that I sprayed in the last video. It was a pretty short video, but this is them here. So that'll be interesting. We got a few other things we can chuck on. I bought a genuine spoon gear knob. We're going to see if the boss kit I've got in the garage will fit this car. It's made for FD Civic, but it should fit this, we think.
Yeah.
Got some new wheel nuts for it. I picked them up from JDM yard. Steel ones.
Black, good.
And then this is just brake fluid for the pending brake upgrade. While I was there, I just figured I'd pick it up.
And also good for
the clutch.
Yep.
So we're going to try and...
we can use the Penrite one I've got here.
I've also got another bottle of the RBF 600.
Nah, use it.
So, I think I did. Here it is. Oh, I've already got... Oh shit, I got like...
A million of them.
I've got fucking like $600 worth of RBF 600.
It was $20 a buy.
Yeah, but you know what I mean. It's expensive.
Yeah.
So we can use that. We'll try and bleed the clutch. See if we can just make it feel real nice. And I think that's pretty much it. Just those little things. But it should make a big difference to the car all over.
Yeah. Good.
Let's get into it. Alright, so this is the standard shift knob. That's out of focus. There we go. Standard shift knob. Pretty ugly. And now this is the new spoon knob. See what this feels like first. It's alright. It just feels really tall and a bit like rubbery.
Snooze fest.
Yeah. So let's chuck this one on. Whoa. So light.
Oh, does it have a thing for the top?
It does. So we'll put it on first and then chuck the sticker on.
Touch autofocus cancelled. Fuck you then. Already looks mad. You should take the boot off.
Already feels better too. There's not much to see under there.
Doesn't matter. It makes it look more race car.
What you can do is
I don't think technically it's not lower.
You can tuck it in like that. Why does this go so far?
You want it to go to the very end.
2 hours later.
Mad. Now you need to put on the thing. Feel the same?
Feels nicer.
We need to do the shifter bushing, or we need a short shifter.
We need K-tuned billet. Ah. Now I have to try and get that on center. Next minute I put it on upside down.
Don't fuck it up!
That looks pretty good.
Beautiful. Yes.
And then should we put the screw on the side of it?
No, why bother at the moment?
It's not gonna go anywhere.
No.
It's just extra weight.
Yeah.
It looks sick.
It does look sick.
Feels nice. I like it. Here, try it. Play with my knob.
Oh, it's much nicer.
Yeah.
Way better.
It feels really good in hand. Such a mad size.
It is the best. Yeah, literally. Makes it feel like not shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I like it.
Rate it.
Right.
Next. Right, so the next thing we're going to try is fitting up this boss kit and the nardi into the car. So this boss kit is brand new in box. I bought it for my FD Civic ages ago when I had that. So it's from Japan. It's legit. So this is the stock steering wheel here, as you can see. It's alright, it's got all the controls I guess, but you know, it's not a nardi.
No.
So first things first, I'm the illest.
First things first, I'm the realest.
First things first, I'm Bruce Willis. First things first, I'm Bear Grylls. First things first, I'm the Skrillex.
And we're going to disconnect the battery so that the airbag doesn't blow up in our face.
Which means it probably still will.
Maybe. But yes, battery first. Okay, so first thing you need to do to get the steering wheel off is underneath the bottom of the steering wheel there's like a plastic cover. pry that off with a screwdriver.
That one.
Yep. And then there's two clips, so one's for the airbag and one's for the horn. So the other one's for the airbag, that just slides apart, and then this one here is for your horn. So you take those apart, and that's your start. Now the next thing is there's a Torx screw in the side of the steering wheel here. It's T30, and we take that out. Alright, so the Torx are out, so now this will just pop out.
It will fall out, Jesus.
So easy to get out. So that's your airbag. That's the airbag prank. Do you want to sit on it and we'll shoot you to the sky?
Keen.
Now, we can just take the steering wheel off. It's just the one screw at the back there.
Is it? What kind of screw? Anything we've got here?
Nothing that we've got here. Yeah, see, it's just that.
Yeah.
And then that'll come off, and then we can see whether our boss kit will fit over it.
Now hold this. I'll go get your socket, mate.
Alright.
When you're taking it off, what do you reckon?
17? Nah, 14. 14. 14. Oh, it's a 14.
You're such a mad.
More safe, more smart, more 14.
No,
I'll hold the steering wheel, mate.
Holy fuck.
Oh.
What the fuck's the socket?
Oh.
Jesus. It's done.
Oh, that came off? Oh, good. I was like, that's a fucking mission.
Top tip, put it back in there so you don't destroy your life when you rip it off. Are we sure that's all it needs doing?
Well, that'll be the only thing holding it on, because it has to spin on that.
Next minute. Right, I'm getting out of the fucking way. Yes.
That was also very clever of me.
What's your clock spring? Yeah, take it off, can you?
Oh, there's a clip. Hang on. There's a white clip here. And whatever this is.
The clock spring.
What does that plug into? Oh, that's the airbag.
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
Hello, boss kit for Civic FZ.
So the first thing we can test is just whether it'll fit over it.
Yes. Are we in?
Doesn't look like there's that much
Then again, remember this isn't for this car.
spine on it. Do you know what
I feel like this, is stopping you. Maybe we can trim that.
Yeah, it's hitting this, you're right. Okay, so this boss kit doesn't work. The adapter, so the plug in here doesn't fit. So this plug doesn't fit, and the adapter for the airbag doesn't fit. But I did a quick Google search, and a DC5 boss kit is the same part number as this boss kit. And my friend just happens to have a spare DC5 boss kit, so we're gonna go drive down there and pick it up now. Alright, so I've teleported to the future and I have the correct boss kit now. So you can see this is the one that we had from the FD. You can see that the bottom doesn't stick out very far, slightly different design. And then this is the one off of DC5. So you can see the spindle comes back quite far, slightly smaller. As you can see them side by side. So some differences there, but this should fit. And then we can put the nardi on.
I fucking hate everybody that we were just talking about.
Mainly Brian.
Mainly Brian, because he's a fuck ass.
Yeah, it's happening.
This is happening.
This is happening. The wheel's going on. Nem Bitcoin,
Can I put this on my
Dogecoin.
car?
Dogecoin. Can you put this in your car? Mm-hmm. But you got a Mazda. You got a pretty Mazda. Don't put this tat in there.
Why not?
Because it's like yellow. It's all the chromes come off. Yeah, and the steering wheel is nice in the Mazda.
Is it?
Yeah. You fucking drive it, mate. It's nice when it doesn't have makeup on it.
100%. Or Scratches from my rings.
Yeah, we
My
have
rings all scratch it.
a monthly day where we must demakify Caitlin's interior. Let's have a look. I love the star vest, mate. Look at that print.
I love stars.
Shake.
My obsession. Oh, it's not great, but also not. But I've been getting it on that side. It's pretty messy.
That's okay. Again, look at that fucking swag. Excuse me.
Lutheran swag.
Lutheran swag. Lutheran swag.
Lutheran swag.
Lutheran swag. I need a good shot of the wheel because it looks fucking amazing. Look at this
Wait.
magnificent cabin.
Wait.
What do we think? Do we think we just like dead stop? Oh, you can just view it and it's just like the camera doesn't move? Or do you think gentle swaying is nice?
I think abrupt swaying is good.
But I feel like this adds dynamicism.
Whoa.
Oh,
There we go.
Is
dynamicism
there no horn on
to.
it?
No, the
No, I
horn's
just
not
say
gonna
we gotta wire it in.
Oh.
Look at that. That looks fucking mad. With your mad gear stick.
It actually looks excellent.
It does look amazing.
Looks like it's like about
Plug,
385.
385, and then
Yeah.
can you just measure this one anyway?
This is
I don't give a shit, measure it.
350. Yeah, 350.
That's swag, so it's gonna make it way better.
30 mils, bro.
That makes a huge difference to steering. Okay, so,
Now we just need wheels.
yes, wheels. You have to do big motions, long strokes. You can go even longer, like you can come all the way up. Oh yeah.
Alright, that's enough. Thank you.
Just put the silver Honda hubcaps on the brown wheels. What do you reckon we could get at the survey? When we're gonna go pump them tyres up, we can go get some dairies. Yeah, maybe some overpriced. Have you got any condoms? Condoms?
Candams.
Pack Winnie Blues.
Alright, so the wheels are on. I think it looks pretty cool.
Looks sick, bruh.
The color combo is nice.
Looks sick.
I like the fitment. A little bit of poke at the front, but nothing a bit of camber won't fix. And then just need to sort out the ride height.
Yeah, like that's not too bad. Like, I've seen worse.
Yeah.
And that'll change because you haven't. Yeah, swag.
Yeah, not too bad.
It'll settle again when you drive,
Yeah.
and the camber will be more correct.
Yep. But that will do it for this video. So thank you very much for watching.
Lord. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Oh, cute as fuck.
Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.